Welcome to Simple Health Chef. Today's recipe is one of my kids' favorite, carrot and apple oat cookies with optional strawberry. Optional, half a cup chopped strawberries, for an extra fruity twist. If you want to add the optional strawberries for an extra fruity flavor, gently fold in the chopped strawberries into the dough as well. Drop spoonfuls of the cookie dough onto the prepared baking sheet, leaving some space between each cookie to allow for spreading. Once done, remove the baking sheet from the oven and let the cookies cool on the sheet for a couple of minutes. Then transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. Enjoy your delicious carrot and apple oat cookies with the optional fruity twist of strawberries. Store any leftovers in an airtight container to keep them fresh. These cookies are a delightful combination of wholesome oats, fresh fruits, and warming spices that make them perfect for any time of the day. Happy baking! Once done, remove the baking sheet from the